Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is my YouTube channel Computer Technology. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Subscribe, like and share. आज हमारा टॉपिक है टेलीकम्युनिकेशन के बारे में और इंटरनेट के बारे में। टेलीकम्युनिकेशन क्या है? The purpose of telecommunication system is to exchange information among user of the system. This information exchange can take place in a variety of ways. For example, multi-party voice communication, television, electronic mail and electronic message exchange. Internet क्या है? The internet, sometimes called simply the net, is a worldwide system of the computer networks. A network of network in which user at any one computer can, if they have permission, get information from any other computer and sometimes talk directly to user at other computers. बेसिक टेलीकम्युनिकेशन का मॉडल है ये। इसमें क्या होता है, चैनल इंटरफेस होता है और कंप्यूटर के थ्रू और वो कम्युनिकेट करता है दो चैनल्स को एक दूसरे से। टाइपिकल होम टेलीकॉम मॉडल, ये टाइपिकल होम टेलीकॉम मॉडल है। ये क्या करता है, आइडियोफोन्स लाइन्स को कनेक्ट करता है और एनालॉग सिग्नल्स को एक दूसरे से। चैनल्स: ट्विस्टेड वायर, ट्विस्टेड पेयर, कोक्सियल केबल, फाइबर ऑप्टिक्स, माइक्रोवेव, न्यूअर, वायरलेस। ट्विस्टेड पेयर क्या है? लो कास्ट है, इजी टू वर्क विथ, और तीसरा है इंस्टॉल्ड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, और फोर्थ है क्रॉसटॉक, और फिफ्थ है 300 bps to 100 mbps. This modem is 56 kbs capable. However, current regulation limit download speed to 53 kbs. The fine print from a typical modem advertisement. DSL क्या है? Uses exiting twisted pair, 256 kbs to 40 mbps. Loop length makes about 1800 foot. More correctly, ADSL, asymmetric digital subscriber line, with download speed different from upload speed. Coaxial cable, more expensive, hard work to with the not as extensive and existing infrastructure. Cable TV companies are changing this 56 kbs to 550 mbps. Fiber optics क्या है? Very expensive, difficult to work with existing infrastructure to backbones. 500 kbs to 30 gbps. Microwave क्या है? Not as expensive as landlines, limited to line of sight towers, reasonable infrastructure, satellite bounds, increased expense, geosynchronous, 22 miles, low earth orbit, cheaper, lower power, 256 kbs to 100 mbps. Newer wireless, cellular, mobile data network, personal communication services, PCS. Note: pagers and PDAs are not channels. They would be nodes on one end of a channel. Transmission speed, bps bits per second, the amount of information that can be transmitted through a channel. About a binary event, a signal change from positive to negative or vice versa. Speed 2, at higher speed a single signal chain can transmit more than one bit at a time. So the bit rate will generally be higher than the baud rate. Transmission capacity is a function of the frequency. Higher frequency means higher capacity. Network topology. Network topology, bus network topology, and ring network topology. Networks: local area network LAN, wide area network WAN, value added network WAN. Network terms: file server, print server, gateway connects dissimilar networks, bridge connects similar networks, routers connect network and directs traffic, similar networks, same network protocols. Transmission line on lanes, token ring, can talk only when you have the token, cost more than Ethernet, better for high volume traffic. Ethernet, talk whenever you want, send again if collision works best with low volume traffic. Transmission are WANs and WANs. Packet switching, message broken into packets. Packets may take various routes. Message received at destination. Allows load balancing on channel. Frame relay like packet switching, no error correction. The internet. What is the internet? Who owns the internet? Why does the internet exist? Evolution of the internet. 1917, ARPANET, 15 nodes. 1972, first email. 1982, TCP/IP become internet standard. Transmission control protocol, internet protocol. 1984, ARPANET, 1000 nodes. 1986, NFC net backbone on ARPANET. 1987, ARPANET, 10,000 nodes. Evolution of the internet. 1988, business begins to connect to system for research purpose. 1989, ARPANET, 1 lakh nodes. 1989, link email between CompuServe and ARPANET. 1990, ARPANET becomes the internet. Public network CompuServe. 1969, started in Cleveland with the single computer. 1979, provide first email. 1980, started national service. Mid 1980s, largest online services. 1995, 3 million users. 1997, purchased AOL. Public network prodigy. 1986, pilot in Atlanta, Hartford, San Francisco. 1988, national service launch. 1994, first to offer WWSS. 99, Prodigy Classic discounted, 209 members. Public networks. AOL. 1991, AOL for DOS. 1993, AOL for Windows. 1997, bought CompuServe. 1999 to 10 million users. Estimated to have distributed over 1 billion discs of over 1000 different disk CD styles. The key to internet growth. 1991, Waze and Gopher provide internet search and navigation. And 1992, WWW Hyperlink software released. 1992, NFC relaxed restriction on commercial internet traffic. 1992 plus explosive growth in usage. इंटरनेट कैपेबिलिटीज़, कम्युनिकेशन और इंफॉर्मेशन के बारे में. कम्युनिकेशन कैसे होती है? ईमेल के थ्रू होती है, यूजनेट के होती है, चैटिंग के थ्रू होती है और टेलनेट के थ्रू. इंफॉर्मेशन रिट्राइवल, गोफर, आर्चे, वेस, FTP, वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब, WWW. set of stand for storing, retrieving, formatting, and display information using a client server architecture, hypertext markup language, HTML, browser, search engine. Internet challenges, security, technology problems, incompatibility, limited bandwidth, telecommunication infrastructure, internet specialist, legal issues. हेलो गाइस, आप सबसे गुजारिश है कि मेरी वीडियो फुल देखें और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें और शेयर करें। थैंक यू।